We're switching focus to another breaking news that's coming in. Actor Jacqueline Fernandez has now appeared in the Patiala House Court. The hearing is scheduled to take place today on the framing of charges against Jacqueline in the 200 crore Sukesh Chandrashekar con scandal. Remember that on 15th November she was granted bail. Today the hearing is with regards to the framing of charges. Anisha Mathur is joining us with more details. So on this, Anisha, run us through what really this means. When we talk about framing of charges, does this mean more trouble for Jacqueline Fernandez? Does this mean that she is also considered to be an accused in the case?
Well, Jacqueline Fernandez had been named as an accused in the charge sheet, the supplementary charge sheet that was filed by the ED. And remember, in the last several months, the the court had taken cognizance of the charge sheet, following which she was very recently, just a few days ago, granted bail by the court after cognizance has been taken. Now, the legal process by which the trial begins is scheduled to start now. The hearing today was scheduled. Is scheduled for consideration of documents, after which the entire process of framing of charges, etc., is going to start. So today we will see the ED trying to explain to the court exactly what are the charges against Jacqueline and other accused in this particular case and how the trial is going to move forward. And this is now going to be a regular hearing in this matter. Today and tomorrow, that is 24th and 25th, are scheduled for this hearing by the Patiala House Court, and of course, further dates will also be given by the judge. So now we're going to see the process, because remember, this matter has been going on for a very long time. The charge sheet was filed, the cognizance was taken, and now the trial process is going to begin, which is going to take the next several weeks or months as the framing of charges, as the arguments from both sides are given before the court, and then the trial process itself will begin. Back to you.
Anisha, also, can you run us through what really has been Jacqueline's team's argument really in court against the Enforcement Directorate naming her in the supplementary charge sheet?
Well, remember, Jacqueline Fernandez and her legal team have been saying continuously that she, in fact, is a victim of fraud herself, that she should not be made an accused in the case because she was not aware of the kind of monetary transactions that Sukesh Chandrashekar was involved in. Further, she had also argued that the money that was given to her, the gifts, etc., that were sent to her by Sukesh Chandrashekar have been returned already. So therefore, her legal team's argument so far has been that she is not involved in the entire fraud and money laundering that Sukesh Chandrashekar is involved in. But of course, at this moment, we are at a very, very preliminary stage of the legal process. Today is only a short hearing regarding documents that the ED is relying on, whether all the documents have been given to Jacqueline's lawyers or not. And then, as I said, as we've been discussing, the trial process is a very long one. Of course, she has continuously been saying that she is not involved in any of the transactions, that she was, in fact, coerced. In fact, this is a statement that her lawyer gave to our cameras when she had gotten bail as well, that she was, in fact, hounded and coerced by another co-accused to go and meet Sukesh Chandrashekar to accept his phone calls. And that is exactly the stand that she's likely to continue taking.
All right. We'll track what happens in the court today. Thanks for the moment, Anisha, for joining us.